In this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step how you can promote Digistore24 products over on Quora. Now, Quora can be a good opportunity to make some money as long as you do it the right way. So watch this entire video to learn step-by-step how you can promote these products over on Quora. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so that you're notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income, and today I want to help you. All right, so as I mentioned, I'm going to show you step by step how you can start earning some passive income with Quora. Now, if you look on my screen here, these are my Quora stats for the last 30 days. Now, the great thing is I haven't answered any questions over on Quora, and so you can see I'm getting traffic from years of work that I put in years prior, and you can do this too. Now, if we look at my all-time stats, you can see that I've gotten over 65,000 views, 650 upvotes, and 8 shares. So let me just talk about this real quick. 65,000 views is when someone's scrolling through looking for an answer and they stumble across your answer. Upvotes are like thumbs up on Facebook or YouTube, where someone agrees with your answer. The more upvotes that you get, the higher that you can appear at the top of the answer sheet that I'll show you in just a moment. And then 8 shares is someone taking your answer and sharing it somewhere on the internet. So let me show you step by step how you can do this and start earning some income. But before I do that, I just want to let you know that it is vitally important that when you're on Quora, that you do not add affiliate links to Quora. If you do that, you are going to get banned. You're going to get kicked out. In fact, that's how I almost got banned. I think I've told this story a few times before, so I'll make it quick. When I first got started, I made my first $130 in 12 hours with affiliate marketing. My first day with affiliate marketing, but I was doing it the wrong way. I watched a video over on YouTube about making money with Bluehost in Quora. And so what I did was I signed up for Bluehost. I got my affiliate link and I went and I answered some questions. They were good answers. I answered some questions over on Quora, but I put my affiliate links right in there. You should not do that. That'll get you banned. So watch this video so I can show you how to do it the right way. The first thing that you want to do is you want to find a product to promote. Now, if we jump over to Digistore24, there are over 300 products at this point where you can promote. Find one that is relevant. Find one that you know a little bit of information about. I recommend that you go through and you watch the video, you read up on it so that you have a very good idea of the type of questions you can answer, because the key to affiliate marketing is simply solving someone else's problem. Quora, when people go over to Quora, people have problems and they want solutions. So what we can do is we could pick a product. Really, any product will work. What we could do is go over to email marketing, and we could find one that talks about email marketing. Send unlimited emails, maybe not. What we could do, let's go to Home and Garden. So we go to Home and Garden, we go over to Home and Garden, you see there are a few products over here. I don't really like these products. Let's see if we can find one under animals and pets. As you can see, a course in lunging dog. Let's see if we scroll down. Let's see if we can find a good product to promote. What we're going to do is I'm just going to go back to the home page here. Let's click on the marketplace one more time, and I'm just going to promote the Tube Mastery and Monetization by Matt Parr. Now, this product teaches people how to make money on YouTube without showing their face. So when we're promoting a product, again, you have to think about the problems that people have over on Quora and how your product can be that solution. So if we go over to Quora, we're simply going to just look for different problems. I'm going to click on the home page here, and I'm going to search make money online. Now, this can get kind of dicey. Quora is kind of finicky when it comes to this, but I'm just going to hit search. And what you're going to see is you're going to see a bunch of people that are asking questions about how to make money online. What you're going to need to do is you're going to need to answer at least 4 questions per day, because everybody kind of knows that this is an opportunity to make some money. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on questions, and then we're going to sort by the last day. As you can see, people are asking questions about making money online. For example, how do I make money online? You could click on this and you could answer the question. I'll show you how to do that in just a second. What we can do is we can go through, we can find one. How do I make money online in this pandemic? These are all questions. We could also look at maybe side hustles, or we can look at online jobs. Because make money online is going to be competitive and, kind of finicky in the eyes of Quora. Quora is going to keep a close eye on spammers. You want to try and find different ways that people are asking the same question. So I typed in side hustle, and we don't see that there's a lot there for the past day, but if we go for maybe the past month, there might be some more opportunity. As you can see, we could say online job maybe, but regardless, any way will work. You just have to put yourself in the position of your target audience. Where can I get an online job? How are you interested in online jobs? How do I prefer online jobs and earning? So these are all questions that you could go through and answer. Now, I recommend when you are answering these questions, you create a very detailed, in-depth blog post type answer. So I'm just going to go to Make Money Online again, just to show you Make Money Online, and we are going to click search. And so what we're going to do is let's sort by the past day again, and let's see, how do I make money online in this pandemic? So I'm just going to click on this. And what you're going to want to do is think about the customer. You can answer this in a listicle. You could say, hey, there's 7 ways that you can make money online in this pandemic, and then list the different ways. You can format it in short, medium, and long-term opportunities. And then once you have the answer, I certainly recommend that you add a link to either your YouTube channel, your blog post, or even Pinterest just to get them off the platform. Ultimately, I recommend that you set up a website, and I'll leave a link in the description for you to get started with web hosting. You can get started for as little as like $3.95 per month, and you'll get a free domain that's branded. You can send people to that web page. That'll build some domain authority, and that'll actually help you in the long run. If you don't want to do that, you could use a free site like Google Sites. But what we will do is we're simply just going to click on answer here, and then we're going to say there are 7 ways to make money online in this pandemic. And so we're just going to list those ways. And if you don't know the answer, here's the beauty of Quora. If you don't know the answer, you're just going to copy this. You're going to paste it here and hit enter, and someone's already done the work. As you can see, 12 ideas to help you make money online during the coronavirus. And obviously you don't want to just copy and paste. You don't want to steal someone else's content. You want to summarize and synthesize. For example, it says get paid for your opinion. That means doing online surveys, get a part-time job, find a call center to work out. You can do affiliate marketing. You're basically, what you're going to do is you're going to write a detailed blog post. Now, what I would do if I were just getting started and I had a little bit of income, I would actually go over to a website called Conversion AI. Now, I am not an affiliate for Conversion AI. That's why I keep spelling it wrong. But as you can see, what we're going to do is I'm just going to log in here, and they actually have a tool that's going to help you write even faster. So I'm just going to log in here real quick, and I'm going to come right back to you. All right, so I am back on Conversion AI. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to go over to Documents, and there's 2 levels to Conversion AI. If you want to start on the lower plan, I think it's like $29 per month. What I would do is I would click on New here. Actually, no, I'm going to go over to Templates, and then I'm going to look for Blog Post Outline. The reason why I'm looking for a Blog Post Outline is that it can actually help me write a little bit faster. For example, if I go back over to our question over on Quora, how do I make money during this pandemic? I'm going to copy this once again, go back over to Conversion AI, and I'm going to paste this in and click Generate Content, and it's going to give me a list. It's going to give me an outline that I can use to start writing faster. And again, this is going to help you. As you can see, it says find a niche that you're interested in, create valuable content for your target audience. And so it says setting up a free account on Amazon Associates. These are different opportunities that you could use. Now, if you have the Pro plan, what you could do is you could go over to Long Form Assistant. If you click on blog post, you could say, please write an article about, we're going to paste it in, how do I make money in this pandemic? Click continue, generate ideas, and it's going to give us basically an entire blog that you just want to make sure that you're guiding in the right direction. So we're going to open this right here. We're going to generate ideas. And again, this is going to make your life much easier if you have a little bit of money to spend. Now, this is an upgraded, this is called boss mode, I believe. And let's see, we're going to just click on this first one, click on open editor. And now this gives us an introductory paragraph. What we're going to do next is we are going to say, we're just going to put a few ways that you can make money. 1 is online surveys. 2 is affiliate marketing. 3 is, we'll say, drop shipping. Hopefully I spelled that right. That's not right. And then we'll say 4 is, we'll say freelancing. All right, so we have a few different ways we'll get these spelled correctly, as you can see, and we're just going to make these headers. These are H2s. I'm going to hit enter, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to press Command J right here, and we're going to let Jarvis do the work for us. And as you can see, it's writing for me. I'm going to show you my hands. If you've ever been to a casino, they show you the hands. The dealer shows you his hands. I just did that to show you that I'm not writing at all. And as you can see, Jarvis has written some information for us. We could go through, make sure it's cleaned up and it makes sense. We can do this again, and I'm going to show you my hands again. If you've ever been in a casino, this makes sense. You can see that it's actually writing a blog post for us. And once we're done, we could simply copy and paste this. Now, again, you want to make sure you read through this and make sure it makes sense. And we are going to paste this right into our answer. Paste that like that. And then maybe under the third, before the third sentence here, maybe right here, I'm going to say, click here to learn my favorite way to make money online. Now, again, you don't want to be too spammy with this because Quora is very finicky, very touchy when it comes to make money online stuff, but this will work for any niche. Or we could say, check out my YouTube channel where I talk more about make money online. Check out my YouTube channel where I share more ways to make money online. Quora doesn't really have a problem with YouTube, and so what we're going to do is we would just copy this and we would add a link right here, and that would go to our YouTube channel, blog post, whatever it is. But you're just going to do this probably 4 or 5 times per day. Once you start seeing some results, you'll be inspired to do it a little bit more. But that's how you do it step by step. It's really easy. Go up to Quora, find questions that are related to your niche. Now that we've figured out the question and answer part, the final part is simply just getting products to promote. So we're going to promote obviously the Tube Mastery, and we're just going to click on promote now, and it gives us our affiliate link if I were to be signed in. And what I recommend that you do is you copy that link and you add it to a button on your website. That's why I mentioned getting a website. The second link in the description will be to a website. You put a button right there, a one-page simple, my number one recommended way to start a full-time income online, or my number one recommended way to start online side hustle. Click here for my favorite side hustle of all time. You put that button on your webpage, put the affiliate link in the button or behind the button. People click on the link and buy the product, you get paid a commission. As you can see, you can earn up to $201. But that's really how you do it step by step. It is simple as that, and you will get results if you are consistent. The key to affiliate marketing and making money online is consistency and solving problems. If you can do those two things, you can make money. Now that you know how to promote ClickBank products over on Quora, click the first link in the description for my number one recommended way to start a full-time income online. When you click that first link, you'll be taken to a free training where you'll learn how to get started step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.